Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best Nikon cameras of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Nikon D3400 camera. Nikon's entry-level D3400 delivers arguably the best still image quality. It has a 24.2 MP image sensor that's also capable of capturing 1080p video at a brisk 60 fps. Other camera highlights include a 3-inch display, zippy autofocus, burst shooting, and a plethora of lenses to choose from post-purchase. 4. Nikon D7200 camera. The Nikon D7200 features a large 24MP APS-C CMOS sensor that delivers impeccable image quality. The camera can shoot full 1080p HD video, and it has a strong autofocus system that helps produce stunning images even in low light. Its buttons and dials allow for quick and easy adjustments of settings, so you don't miss a shot. And of course, Nikon's wide catalog of lenses are compatible. 3. Nikon Coolpix B700 camera. The Nikon Coolpix B700 has a massive 60 times magnification zoom range that spans between 24 and 1440 mm in a 35 mm equivalent. An articulating display, wireless smartphone connectivity, and intuitive controls make the Coolpix B500 a solid choice for nature photographers. If you're looking for something more affordable, the Nikon Coolpix B500 is still a capable superzoom camera. 2. Nikon Coolpix W300 camera. The Nikon Coolpix W300 has a depth rating of a staggering 100 feet, so it can probably go deeper underwater than most of its users. Its specs include a 16MP low-light sensor and a fast f2.8 Nikkor zoom lens. With Wi-Fi, NFC, and 4K recording, the Coolpix W300 is one of the best connected cameras. Plus, its waterproof, freeze-proof, shockproof, and dustproof case lets you take it practically anywhere. 1. Nikon D500 camera. The D500 is a range-topping DSLR camera with a large APS-C sensor. A feature-rich imaging powerhouse, the D500 can capture 21MP still images with excellent quality, as well as 4K video footage. A tilting touchscreen, smartphone connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and a vast selection of lenses make the D500 one of the best cameras.